election. Okay. These parts are called constituency. Constituency. Okay. For the purpose of elections. Either it may be election for the Lok Sabha or it may be election for the Legislative Assembly. Either it may be Lok Sabha or Legislative Assembly. Lok Sabha, it is related to national level. Legislative Assembly is related to state level. Okay, first we will recall what is Parliament and what is Assembly. Okay, Parliament, it is consisting of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President. Okay, what is Parliament? Rajya Sabha, President. Okay, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, President. Here one point we have to remember. President, he is the part of Parliament. He is the part of Parliament, but not the member of the Parliament. He is part of Parliament, but not the member of Parliament. Okay. Parliament consisting of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, President. Okay. And State Assembly. State Assembly in the same way. State Assembly. It is consisting of బాగున్నాయమ్మ పేరు చూస్తున్నారు కదా పక్క వాళ్ళ దీనిలో. దానికోసమే ఇక్కడ కూర్చున్నాం మనం. ఎగ్జామ్లో వస్తుంది. నీ పక్కన బ్లూ కలర్ జాకెట్ వేసుకున్నట్ట అమ్మాయి యొక్క జుట్టులో ఏ కలర్ పెయిన్ ఉంది అని వస్తుందా? ఓకే, ఎక్కడున్నామా మనం? స్టేట్ అసెంబ్లీ. స్టేట్ అసెంబ్లీలో మళ్ళీ 3 పార్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి. లెజిస్లేటివ్ అసెంబ్లీ, లెజిస్లేటివ్ కౌన్సిల్. అక్కడ ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఉన్నాడు కదా. స్టేట్ లెవెల్లో ఎవరు ఉంటారమ్మా? గవర్నర్. గుడ్, గవర్నర్. లెజిస్లేటివ్ అసెంబ్లీ, లెజిస్లేటివ్ కౌన్సిల్, గవర్నర్. ఓకే, ఇది ప్యాటర్న్. ఓకే, లోక్సభనే మనం ఏమంటున్నాము? లోయర్ హౌస్. లోక్సభ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ యాజ్ లోయర్ హౌస్. రాజ్యసభ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ యాజ్ అప్పర్ హౌస్. లోక్సభ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ లోయర్ హౌస్. LL. లోక్సభ లోయర్ హౌస్, రాజ్యసభ అప్పర్ హౌస్. ఓకే, కెన్ యూ సే true or false? Okay, president is the member of parliament but not part of the parliament. Raise your hands who are saying false. Okay, raise your hands who are saying true. That means most of the students are neutral. Okay, again I will repeat the question. President is the member of parliament but not part of the parliament. Is it true or false? Raise your hands who is saying true. No one. Okay, false. The answer is false. In India, 4 types of elections are there. Who are saying false? saying false? In India, 4 types of elections are there. Who is saying false? That means most of the people are not listening, or my teaching is not appropriate to your level. Okay, down your hands. Good. The answer is false. Because in India, how many types of elections are there? 3 elections. Then the question is, how many in India 4 types of elections are there? Then the statement is okay. But you are responding that is required for a student. Even though if it is wrong, if you are able to express your feeling, that is the wanted thing, required thing in you. Okay? Okay. Election procedure, fixation of constituency. First step in the election is fixation of constituency. Next step is preparation of electoral rolls. Preparation of electoral rolls. What is the second step in the election procedure? Preparation of electoral roll. Electoral roll. It is also called electoral list. Electoral list. Who will prepare electoral list? Central government.